Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to forget a Wi-Fi network on your KOBO Elipsa 2E. So first, starting off, we're gonna go to the Wi-Fi settings. So click on this icon here, go to Wi-Fi settings, and now click on Edit Wi-Fi network. So click on Edit here. Now select the network that you want to forget and click delete. Now, as you guys can see, there are no known networks. So basically what we want to do is connect to basically any network that we know the password to. Now here, enter the password and then you will have Wi-Fi back again. But for now, every single Wi-Fi connection is forgotten from the device. So that'll be it for this video. I hope it was helpful, and if it wasn't, leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.